Alrighty, today I am at my uncle's house and I will be showing you his 1998 Sharp Supercharged Twin Energy model EC-T2840. I may have gotten the model number mixed up, but that is perfectly fine. So this one's slightly different to the last Sharp that I've covered, in which it has a sort of clutch that goes between the tools and the floor. This one must have been positioned towards the tools, so I'm going to keep it on the floor. The attachments are somewhere, and I'm not sure the current condition of this machine because it's been a long time since I've last been to the house and turned it on. But my aunt and uncle replaced this in favor of a Shark Navigator and then a Shark Rocket. I'm not sure where the Navigator is, but we'll give this one a spin. I'm not going to put any extra dirt on the ground because I don't want to get into a lot of trouble. So let's fire it up and see how it works. 1 second, is the brush roll even running? Into the hose, you just get the pedal here. So, all in all, I wouldn't say that this is a terrible vacuum cleaner. I actually prefer it to the Elite style Hoovers that were made at the same time. It's definitely much quieter than those, and it's one of the reasons I like it. I believe this also used a lamb motor, but I'm not entirely sure. But whatever it is working well for me, and that brush roll is still running, and I couldn't be more pleased with this vacuum. So hope you enjoyed it.